Today we're going to be seeing if we can use South Chicago Packing Wagyu Beef Tallow Spray to make our basic frozen hamburgers into something delicious. Give me a couple minutes and we're going to find out. First thing I'm going to do is spray my pan. So pretty generously there. It's a big thick spray nozzle. Next we're just going to hit them with a little bit of that Blackstone salt, pepper, garlic mix. Just keep it simple, see if we can taste the flavor of the tallow. Looks good. Alright, let's get these burgers off and get them on a bun. Should be cooked. Alright, we got our bun ready. We're just going to keep it simple. Let's get our burger on the bun with the tallow burger. Let's try it out. Alright, we got the camera turned around. We're going to try this burger. First taste, first impression. I'd say, yeah, it's pretty good. I said it does definitely adds to the flavor. I have these burgers a lot and they don't taste like this, but this definitely makes it delicious.